how to change group name on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change group name on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just go to any group you want, like this one. Click on it and here just click here on the group profile and click these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click change subject, and as you see here you can change group name to anything you want and then just click OK. That's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.